Racing this yellow flame-blowing Shockwave. Shockwave has 3 jet engines, 3 Pratt & Whitney J34 jet engines. They used to power 3 different Navy T-2 Buckeye aircraft. They provide a combined horsepower of 36. My guy is powered by a light of intimidation. While Kevin Coleman in the airplane has raced other high-speed jet-powered vehicles and air shows, we found out at our mandatory performance safety briefing this morning, these 2 kids have not raced together. So you know that neither one of them are going to want to lose. Kevin Coleman in the air, defending the other pilot. American engine since 1929. The jet-powered truck, low to your left, has a combined horsepower of 36,000 horsepower, so we have to handicap this race. That's right, Danny. What we do is Kevin is going to be flying by 49, so he's got a flying start. Now, the jet truck is starting from absolute zero, so he has to make up a lot of ground. He starts at 7 and within seconds, this race will be history. So sliding downhill is Kevin Coleman with a smoke on. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Get those cameras ready. Chris Darnell has to see the airplane. Then he unleashes 36,000 horsepower. There's no smoking of his tires. He's got jet power. They're in full afterburner.